The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, ICI, has submitted interim report and recommendation number 2025-002 to the Office of the Ombudsman, following an investigation into alleged large-scale corruption and fund diversion within the Department of Public Works and Highways flood control program. The inquiry launched in September 2025 focused on reports of collusion among legislators, DPWH officials, and private contractors in the misuse of allocations for flood control projects. Based on the sworn statements and corroborating evidence provided by former DPWH officials, Engineer Henry Alcantara, Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez, and Engineer J.P. Mendoza, the Commission uncovered an alleged systematic kickback scheme in which legislators acting as project proponents inserted flood control projects into the National Expenditure Program, or NEP, and the House General Appropriations Bill, also called HGAB, and the General Appropriations Act, or GAA, in exchange for commission ranging from 20% to 30% of the project cost. Payments were reportedly coursed through DPWH engineers and cooperating contractors to secure projects and awards and facilitate the release. According to the former DPWH officials, this scheme resulted in inflated project costs, substandard implementation, and the diversion of billions of pesos in public funds over several years. Among those implicated are Senators Joel Villanueva and Senator Jinggoy Estrada, former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, and Commissioner Audit Commissioner Mario Lipana.